And this is the microfiber cloth, the one for cleaning the car. Comes with a little hook already in there. It's got a bit of a rougher surface on one side and a very, very soft surface on the other. It's almost a shame to dirty it. It's actually that nice. I'll take it out and give the car a bit of a go with it, and I'll let you know what I think once I've used it. And this is to give you an idea of just how big it is. I'm about to use the microfiber cloth, giving the windscreen a bit of a clean. That's pretty impressive. So I'm going to give the car a bit of a wash. And now give it a bit of a dry. And I think you can see the difference. This cloth is really good.